We'll guide you through how to animate fish in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the application opens, create a new composition by selecting the option to make a new project composition. Set the composition so you can begin working on the animation. Next, import a fish image or illustration into the project panel by using the import option. Choose the fish file you want to animate and place it into the project. After the image has been imported, drag the fish file from the project panel into the timeline area at the bottom of the screen. This will create a fish layer inside the composition. Select the fish layer in the timeline so it becomes active and ready for editing. After selecting the layer, enable the puppet pin tool from the toolbar at the top of the screen. Use this tool to place control points on the fish image. Add pins to the head, body, and tail of the fish by clicking those areas carefully. These pins will control how the fish moves during the animation. Once the pins are added, move the playhead forward on the timeline to a later point in time. Begin animating the tail by moving the tail pin left and right to create a swimming motion. Continue by adding slight movement to the body pin so the middle of the fish bends naturally while the tail moves. After creating the body motion, press P on the keyboard to open the position property for the selected fish layer. Enable keyframes for position by clicking the stopwatch icon next to position. This will allow the fish to move from one place to another over time. Move the playhead to another point in the timeline. Then change the position of the fish so it travels across the screen. The software will automatically create another keyframe for the movement. After setting the motion, preview the animation by playing the timeline and watching how the fish swims and moves across the composition. If needed, adjust the timing and movement by changing the keyframes until the motion looks smooth. Once everything is complete, save your project file. Then add the composition to the render queue. Finally, start the render process to export your fish animation.